Rainbow the rainbow who forgot its colors. 300 words, kids-friendly, emotional, and rhythmic storytelling style. Once upon a time, high above the clouds, there lived a beautiful rainbow. Every time it rained, she would stretch across the sky, filling the world with her 7 sparkling colors. Children would laugh, point, and sing when they saw her appear after a storm. But one morning, when the rain stopped and the sun peeked through, the rainbow slowly began to form, and gasped. Her colors were gone. No red, no orange, no yellow. Just a faint, pale line floating in the sky. "Oh no," she cried. "How can I make people happy without my colors?" She tried to shine harder, but nothing worked. The sky looked dull, and even the birds seemed queer. A soft wind whispered through the clouds, "Don't be sad, rainbow. Maybe your colors are just hiding. Try to remember what makes them shine." So the rainbow thought deeply. She remembered how red came from love, orange from laughter, yellow from kindness, green from hope, blue from peace, indigo from dreams, and violet from courage. Slowly, as she remembered each feeling, her colors began to glow again, brighter and stronger than ever. When the children looked up, they cheered and clapped. "The rainbow is back," they shouted joyful. The rainbow smiled proudly. She had learned something very special. Her colors weren't just paint in the sky, they were the feelings she shared with the world. From that day on, she promised to shine not only after storms but also whenever someone needed a little bit of hope. Glowing star moral of the story: real beauty comes from the kindness, hope, and love we share, not from how we look.